Time now for the Midlands Retirement Report. Pat Struby is the founder of Preservation Specialists. Now, Pat, when we leave a job, we don't want to leave our old 401k behind with our old employer. What do we need to know about our options for rolling over that old 401k?
Yeah, Jen, when we talk about your 401k, of course, that's where most of us do most of our saving for retirement. So it's really important when we're figuring out how to get you to retirement. So we've got four options that we want to quickly go through. The first one is you can roll that 401k over to an IRA. And that's a great way to gain more control because usually with an IRA, you can do just about anything you want with it. And of course, in a 401k, you're limited to their options. The second one is you can roll it over to your new company 401k plan if you're starting a new job. That may give you a little more access to the money as you're getting closer to retirement. The third one is you can consolidate to simplify. A lot of times, if we're changing jobs, you might have two, three, four, five 401ks. So we may want to just get those consolidated. Now, all three of those were generally avoiding a taxation. The last option would be to cash out that 401k. Most of the time, we're going to try and avoid that because of the taxes and sometimes penalties to do that. So, of course, everyone is different, so we want to make sure you get some guidance and pick which choice makes the most sense for you.
And you have some great resources to help us learn about those options and how to get income from that old 401k in retirement.
That's right, Jen. So we've created a retirement rescue kit, and this is a great resource because it gives you information on how to handle your 401k, but how to handle all of your nest egg, how to generate income off of that in retirement, all the different areas of planning in retirement. Of course, we want to make sure as taxes may be going up, we want to make sure you are reducing your taxes in retirement and controlling them. And ultimately, we want that to give you the confidence to retire with peace of mind.
Great way to get started, Pat. Call, click, or text for your retirement rescue kit, and that is this week's Midlands Retirement Report.